I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Cali Forms. Copy the webhook URL and fetch it. Now go to the Cali Forms dashboard and edit the form. Go to the setting and click on Webhook. Give here a name. Create. Paste the webhook URL in the payload URL. Map the respective fields. Save. Test. Test done. Now go to Bid Integrations dashboard, and here you can see the data is fetched successfully. Set actions. Search and select the action SureMembers. Connect to SureMembers. SureMembers connected successfully. Next, choose a task. Map the respective field. Under the action, choose a group. Here is the advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to the Cali Forms and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Under the Bid Apps Access group, click on the users. Here you can see that a user successfully added on the SureMembers Access group. Thanks for watching.